Hey guys! Today we're going to be doing the one and only Deku from My Hero Academia. Go ahead and prime your face. I would suggest using a pore filling primer because we're going to be doing a lot with like the middle part of the face where a lot of pores are. So I wanted to make that as flat as possible. And that's what a pore filling primer does. And then on top of that, we're putting foundation. And then for concealer, go ahead, a trick for it is to let it set. So go ahead, put your concealer on, like under the eyes, on the nose, on the eyelids. Wait for it to set for like a minute or two, then blend it in. It makes it a little bit thicker and gives you a little bit more coverage. For contour, he has a very round face, but a very strong face. So we're not doing a full cheek contour, just a little bit right in the hollows of the cheeks. We're making my jawline a little bit harsher. And then for the nose contour, I did not go on to the tip of my nose. I wanted that to stay nice and thick, whereas the bridge I made smaller. And then I'm also giving him a little button nose, which you do by putting a horizontal line between the cartilage of your nose and the squishy part of your nose. Now we're gonna super highlight. So this is to make everything that you just contoured. Now you're gonna make the other parts stand out. So I put a little bit under my eyes, and then I'm blending with my finger on the tip of the nose to bring out the button nose, and a little bit on the bridge of the nose, just to bring out all those wonderful shadows you worked so hard on. Also, I am singing along to all of the openings, I'm sorry. I couldn't edit them all out. To help give your brows color, I like to go in with a white gel pencil, brush that out, and then I'm going in with a very dark green. This is from a Colourpop palette. Any type of green will work, but the darker the better. Little bit of blush. Avoid the very front apples of your cheeks and try to go just on the back cheekbones, along with a little on your nose, and some highlight on the very top of the cheekbones and on your button nose. For eyes, he has very round eyes. So to make your eyes look rounder, do not drag it out to the edge of your eyebrow. Barely go in the crease of your eye and then go on the outer edge. That's it. It'll make your eye look a lot rounder. And then put some on the bottom of the eye. I'm going in with just 2 brown colors, and then try to go all the way in towards your inner corner, just to close off your eye more. And then put some green in there. Green in the inner corner, make it sparkly, all that good stuff. For eyeliner, I'm tightlining the top part of my eye, and then I'm going in with a super baby wing. You want it to be nice and thick across your full eye, and you want it to go across your full eye. So you want this nice, thick, dark line to help add to the illusion that your eye is round. Mascara, I only put on the top because on the bottom we are putting white in the waterline, and I didn't want to close off the bottom of my eye. The white helps to open up your eyes more, so they look rounder at the bottom, but at the top you're giving definition to roundness. Now for freckles, I have a freckle pen from Colourpop. You can also use an eyebrow pencil, along with also a foundation color that's too dark for you. You could dot that on as well. His lips, I wanted to make them voluptuous, so I'm outlining my lips with a darker color, and then going in with a lighter color in the center, then putting on gloss. And then lastly, put on some lashes. It's always a good idea. Well guys, I done goofed. I can't find my Deku wig. I don't know where it went. So all the clips you've seen was from like a couple months ago when I cosplayed with my friend of Femme Deku. I only did my makeup a little bit differently. The only thing I did differently this time that I learned is that I did my brows a little bit darker, same concept, and I put brown in my crease instead of just like pure greens. I thought it was a little bit too much, but yeah, I don't know where it is, and it's, oh my god. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it anyways. I think that this makeup look will look fantastic with any green hair, but for right now, I'm looking a little bit weird with my green brows. I promise next week I'll do better. My brows will match my hair, and we'll just move on from there. If you guys liked what you saw today, maybe give me a like or comment, maybe even subscribe. I post once a week, best I can. And I post con or makeup related material, or really anything you guys want to see. See ya!